Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are talking about another penny stock to buy today. I am very excited for this one because there's huge upside potential and huge growth opportunity for now and for the future. This penny stock is in the industrial sector within the waste management industry. And what's really interesting about this company is their technology to help with lead recycling. And their technology can reduce harmful emissions into the environment, all while increasing lead production, which is in growing demand. So stay tuned because you are not going to want to miss this one. Real quick, if you can give this video an early thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications, I would very much appreciate the support. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money, and so on and so on. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So the penny stock we are talking about is Aqua Metals, ticker symbol AQMS. Aqua Metals' mission is to transform the lead-acid battery recycling industry to be better for today's world. Their revolutionary modular aqua refining recycling technology is cleaner, more cost-effective, and energy efficient, and produces ultra-pure lead to modernize an important global recycling activity in a socially responsible manner. So at the time of this video, the stock market is closed because it is Thanksgiving. So we're just going to go over the price that Aqua Metals closed at, which was $1.26 a share, and they were up 10%. In the after hours, they were at $1.22 a share, down 3.56%, almost 4%. And if we take a look at the year-to-date chart, we could see Aqua Metals was trading for around 70 cents a share at the beginning of 2020 and dropped to 34 cents a share at the height of the pandemic, and has had a pretty good run up since then, being up almost 300% from March to now. And Aqua Metals does have a market cap of $76 million, which is a microcap stock. Now back to Aqua Metals' website. Like I said earlier, their technology, aqua refining, can help reduce emissions while recycling, but increase lead production. And lead is actually one of the most recycled materials, but also with strong demand because it is in a lot of electrical storage devices used across the globe, including every car and truck, hybrid and electric vehicle. Lead-based batteries provide backup power for hospitals, electrify households, and are the primary mode of energy storage for buildings, data centers, and telecom. For this reason, recycling is critical to keep pace with growing energy storage needs. So what are the mechanics behind Aqua Metals' technology, aqua refining? Well, aqua refining is a room temperature water-based process that is fundamentally non-polluting. It utilizes electroplating with continuous removal of lead, enabling one module to produce roughly 2.5 to 3 tons of ultra-pure lead per day. Now the process for this is the batteries go into the battery breaker, then you have the plastics from these batteries separated by type. Then they go through the water process where the water is treated and recycled back into system. And then after that, the lead paste is processed through proprietary digestion, which is aqua refining technology. And then boom, you have your ultra pure aqua refined lead sold. Very innovative and very beneficial to the environment and for smelters that are, trying to operate within these tight emission regulations. Now, the aqua refining process is way better than smelting because it is water-based. And like we said, it reduces emissions and environmental permitting challenges. And in the end, it produces high purity lead at 99.996% for the $20 billion lead recycling industry, which feeds the $65 billion lead battery industry. Now, the key business drivers for Aqua Metals is one, a $20+ billion addressable global lead recycling industry that needs a major upgrade. Growth in lead-acid battery applications, automotive, data centers, renewables are driving market demand. 2, industry and planet needs an environmentally friendly technology to increase sustainability by reducing emissions, and that's where aqua refining comes to the table. 3, technology process demonstrated at commercial quantities. Leading strategic investors and partners have included industry giants Clarios, Veolia, and Interstate Batteries. 4, very strong intellectual property, creating the purest lead on earth. Over $180 million invested towards commercialization, 67 patent applications filed, pending, and 45 patents allowed granted in the US and internationally. 5, go forward business model. Core technologies, process, and commerciality of aqua refined lead is already proven. 2, business model focus is on global licensing opportunity to incorporate aqua refining in industry upgrades builds. So these are some major catalysts to watch for in Aqua Metals because this will really boost their growth in the next years and in the next few months possibly. Now we're here on the market drivers slide. New high-growth lab applications require high-purity lead. Auto growth in emerging markets, China, India, and South America cars are using additional lead batteries for start-stop functionality. Renewable energy economy is growing and dependent on energy storage to be efficient and effective. Data center and telecom industries are growing rapidly and utilize lead batteries for backup power. And lastly, the biggest market that is rising and rising fast is electric vehicles. Use lead batteries in addition to lithium ion to support electronics. Now for the huge opportunity within Aqua Metals is the lead acid battery market is driving growing demand for lead. Annual LAB sales expected to nearly double to $84+ billion by 2025, driving demand for lead. LAB production constitutes the largest use of lead today. LABs still represent over 95% of all batteries produced due to improved recyclability, safety, and performance compared to lithium-ion and NIMH. Over 99% of used LABs are sent to recycling for lead extraction to address growing shortage. And then the secondary recycled lead comprises all the lead produced in the US, as well as more than 50% of all lead produced elsewhere worldwide. We can see that Aqua Metals' vision is to partner with battery recycling centers across the globe to increase production without increasing emissions, and already over 300 potential plants have been identified. Okay, now we are going to be going over Aqua Metals' financials, and they're kind of steady, kind of not. Cash on hand right now as of September 30th, 2020, they have $5.6 million cash on hand. Their debt, they do have a loan from Veritex Bank. They have to pay off $8.5 million plus $0.3 million from payroll protection loan. But the company expects to be fully forgiven. Now back to the Veritex loan. Aqua Metals restructures USDA-backed loan agreement with Veritex Bank. Received additional $3.5 million cash from escrow. Anticipates being debt-free this year, 2020. The primary focus for the restructuring was to remove various restrictive covenants on the company that dictate how fire-related insurance collection proceeds are to be spent. In addition to restructuring, the agreement immediately releases $3.5 million of insurance proceeds currently in escrow and defines how portions of the anticipated future insurance recovery proceeds will be split between Veritex Bank and the company. The loan is currently secured by real property, personal property, and a certificate of deposit. Pursuant to the agreement, the company will fully retire the $9 million loan upon receiving the first $25 million of the potential $50 million in insurance proceeds. Although there can be no assurances, the company anticipates being debt-free in 2020 based on current information. Now you're probably wondering, what is this fire-related insurance stuff? So basically there was fire in the aqua refining area. But they say that the fire was not from the aqua refining technology, but from contract work being done in the area. And it occurred during the final weeks of preparation to scale from 4 to full capacity of 16 aqua refining modules. And for insurance, $30 million in claims so far in equipment damages and business interruption claims. And with this insurance collection cadence and timing uncertain, the company initiated a massive reduction in cash burn early December 2019. And then so lastly, late Q4 and Q1 focus was on assessment, investigation, and early insurance collection efforts, now at $22.6 million, along with formulating their go-forward plan. So an explanation, that is the whole deal with the loan that they have with Veritex Bank. Now we are here looking at Aqua Metals' balance sheet. We can see that their total current assets as of September 30th, 2020 are at $7 million. And their total current liabilities are at almost $5 million, which gives them a current ratio of 1.4. Now we're here on the statements of operations. We can see for the 3 months ended, product sales did drastically decrease to $90,000, which was up $2 million in 2019. However, their total operating expense did decrease as well, along with the loss of operations. And as for the net loss, Aqua Metals does have a net loss of $1.8 million, which was $11 million in 2019 of September. Now we're looking at the stock price forecast for Aqua Metals. The analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Aqua Metals have a median high and low estimate of $2. The median estimate represents a 57.48% increase from the last price of $1.27. Now, analyst recommendations. The current consensus among one polled investment analyst is to buy stock in Aqua Metals. The rating has held steady since March when it was unchanged from a buy rating. Now, lastly, what am I going to do with this stock? I currently don't own any shares in Aqua Metals, but as far as the research I did on my own and the amazing opportunity for this company I found and, really went into depth with, it has got me definitely interested in this stock. What this company is doing is absolutely game-changing. Their aqua refining technology will help massively with lead recycling and, most importantly, lead production, which is in strong demand. As for electric vehicles, that is another huge opportunity for Aqua Metals because some electric vehicles do use lead batteries like we mentioned earlier. And with this new presidency, they will benefit greatly because the Democrats are all about clean technology. But overall, I am very excited for this company. In my opinion, I see massive returns and I will be buying in. Well, that brings us towards the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you all. Comment down below what you think about Aqua Metals stock and what you think could happen with this company. Your thoughts are appreciated. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I really do appreciate the support from you guys so much. That being said, till next time you guys, peace.